Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create new smart map for iRobot Roomba. And to do this we'll need to pair our robot with iRobot app. I've shown you how to do that previously. Now click on the map and inside there's a button for create new smart map. Click on that one and inside you'll be able to read mapping tips. Roomba needs a light to navigate and learn your home. Open blinds or turn on the lights. Open doors and pick up obstacles so that Roomba can reach entire space. Click on next, but before that also make sure to do what it's instructed. And next thing is speed things up with mapping run. Roomba will learn your home faster when it focuses only on exploring and not cleaning floors. So click on start mapping run and it should go out and start mapping your entire room, but in this case my robot is out of battery so it won't perform this action, but if yours is charged to the specific number of battery, it should begin mapping your entire room. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.